Oh, he's gonna stop talking. How's it going?
Where are you from?
What's that?
Where are you from?
Florida. I'm doing the TAT.
You doing the what?
The Trans-American Trail. Have you heard of it?
That's off-road, isn't it?
It's, yeah.
Like a BDR?
That's right, exactly. It goes from, I started in Georgia, and I'm going to Oregon. It is.
That's a perfect bike for it. What's that, the little 300?
300, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a nice one you got there. I saw you.
Well, this one, they say it's off-road, but I ain't taking it on off-road.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of heavy for that.
Right.
Yeah. So where you headed?
I'm heading home now. I started out 3 weeks ago from Michigan.
Wow.
Went all the way down through Ozarks, down to Texas Hill Country.
Really?
Then down to, what you call it?
Okay, it's pretty peaceful. I'm set up next to a concrete picnic table. Let's get everything out here. Got the key. Somewhere in here there's a radio. Here it is. This is how I'm packing my KX2. And I've got the antenna in the left saddlebag. It wouldn't fit in the bag without taking up a lot of room, so I'll show you what I did here. I just kind of folded it in to the lid, or to the opening, and it's perfect that way. And back here is where I'll screw it into the mount. This is a 10mm thread on the antenna and a 3/8 by 24 mount, so I have this adapter. And I have the adapter and this RF adapter down here thread locked onto their fitting, so it doesn't vibrate loose. Hopefully that'll hold out. This antenna is pretty short, but it telescopes up to 17 feet, which is a quarter wavelength on 20 meters, and that's where I'm going to be starting the activation today. Okay, there's the antenna. Hopefully you can see it. And right here I've got the RF cable and the ground radials. New Hampshire. Missouri. Oklahoma.